Good morning, friends. Myself, Daskar Reddy. You are watching Simatech Straight to Tech. Subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time. Today, there are quite a bunch of interesting tech news are waiting for you. As I said in my last tech news, weekly tech news series will be in English only. Before we get into the video, if you are coming here for the first time, do subscribe and share the video. First news is about YouTube versus TikTok. The fight between YouTube and TikTok has reached to its peak stage. Many Indian YouTubers have deleted their TikTok accounts. Carrie Minati, famous YouTuber of India, who has nearly 18 million subs, have posted a roasting video against TikTok and a TikTok star named Amir Siddiq. The video got removed after 2 days of uploading. The video got 70 million views and 10 million likes in just 2 days. If it's not been removed by the YouTube, it may made a record of most liked non-music video which belongs to an Indian YouTuber. I will make a detailed video why the video got removed and what's happening between YouTube and TikTok. So please stay tuned for that. Next tech news is about gaming. The lockdown has extended for another 14 days. A website named Epic Games have posted a statement that GTA 5 will be free for limited amount of time. Listening to this, many gamers went to Epic Games and started downloading it. The server got down due to heavy amount of searching and downloading. The offer lasts up to 21st May. If you have the specs that can run GTA, then go and download and enjoy the game. Third news is from OnePlus. Many rumors and leaks are coming that OnePlus is about to launch OnePlus AirPods, which are quite identical to Apple AirPods and Realme Buds Air, etc. These are truly wireless earphones which comes with active noise cancelling mic. We didn't get official news about this, but these earphones will be launching with OnePlus Z in July. OnePlus Z is a mid-range phone from OnePlus. If you are interested in it, the phone is going to be launched in the month of July. Fourth news is coming from Redmi. Recently, Redmi launched Redmi Note 9 series. It has been 1.5 months or 2 months, but Redmi Note 10 series leaks are coming. Redmi Note 10 with Dimensity 820 chipset spotted on Geekbench. The scores are very impressive that it rivals Snapdragon 855 processor. Dimensity 820 is about to launch on May 19th in China. The next news is coming from Moto. Moto is a very favorite brand to our Indians before Realme and Xiaomi. Nowadays, Moto phones are very expensive that people are preferring to Realme and Xiaomi. Despite of that, Moto is about to launch its flagship mobile on May 19th. The mobile has impressive specs with Snapdragon 865 processor, 108 MP quad camera setup, and a 90Hz display also. The phone has everything that a flagship needed. If this mobile comes under 60,000, then it is a good choice to purchase this mobile. Next news is coming from Realme. In my last video, Realme smartphones on the way, I have said a flagship mobile named Realme X3 Pro or a gaming phone from Realme. It's not both of them. It is a special edition of Realme X50 Pro named Realme X50 Pro Player Edition. It is going to be launched in China on 25th May. And also, Realme announced Realme TV and Realme Watch will be launched on May 25th. The Realme TV comes with two different sizes, 32 and 43 inches. The 32-inch variant will be priced under 20,000 and 43-inch will be priced under 25,000. If the both assumptions are correct, then Realme TV is a great option to buy. Next news is coming from iQOO. As I said in my last tech news, Vivo iQOO Z1 may launch with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus. This mobile will be launching on May 19th in China. The price has been leaked in a poster as it says 6GB 128GB 24,980 yuan. In Indian rupees, it's about 25,000-26,000. If this mobile comes in India about 26,000-27,000, then it is a great mobile to buy under 30,000. We'll get full details of this smartphone on May 19th. Next news is coming from Vivo's brother Oppo. Oppo Find X2 series is about to launch in India very soon. In my first ever tech news video, I have given full details of this smartphone which has been launched in China. This mobile is the successor of Oppo Find X, the bezel-less beauty. It is an out-and-out flagship mobile which comes with a great camera and the display is very impressive. It has got a 120Hz 3K display. The price is rumored that it may come with a 70,000 price tag. It's a quite expensive phone which comes with great specs. If you are interested in this mobile, then comment and tell me. The next news is about Honor. Honor has launched Honor 9X Pro in India. This smartphone has a 6.59-inch IPS LCD screen. This mobile has a powerful processor Kirin 810. It is a 7nm fabrication technology processor which is battery efficient and also quite powerful. This processor has a Antutu score of 3,10,000 which is higher than Snapdragon 845 processor. Next comes its camera. As always, Honor mobiles comes with a great camera. It has a triple camera setup with 48MP main sensor, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP depth sensor. It has a 16MP pop-up camera. When it comes to its battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery capacity with a 10-watt charger. It doesn't have fast charging. It is a drawback. There is another drawback to this mobile. It does not come with Google Mobile Services. It comes with HMS, Huawei Mobile Services. If you are interested in it, then it comes with a price tag of 18,000. If you register in Honor official website, then you can buy it with 15,000 price tag. Next news is very crucial to India. It's about the 5G technology. The telecommunication department has said that there will be no bidding on 5G waves in India in 2020. Due to Corona and lockdown, 5G rollout in India has delayed to 2021. I will be making a detailed video on 5G on the basis why it has been delayed, what is the problem of bringing 5G to India so lately. So stay tuned for that. This is the last tech news. If you like the video, then like and comment and subscribe. Subscribe to Simatech for more interesting and informative tech news. Myself Dasagari signing off.